Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the chapter topic increment or decrement operators. Increment or decrement operators. You have plus plus and minus minus. We'll see what is this increment and decrement operator. Increment means plus plus, decrement means minus minus. Increment means increase the value by 1 and store it in the same value. So if you have plus plus in front of any variable or in back of any variable, it means that increase it by 1 and store it in the same variable. Increase by 1 and store it in the same variable. If you have minus minus in front of any variable or after the variable, then it means decrease by 1 and store it in the same variable. Decrease by 1 and store it in the same variable. I will show you example, that is, suppose you have plus plus a, you write like this, or you also have a plus plus. Okay, this here you have minus minus a or a minus minus. In this way you can write this. Suppose if a is equal to 5, if a's value is equal to 5, then plus plus a or a plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1. A is equal to a plus 1. That means a is equal to, a's value is 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now a's value is 6. So after plus plus a or a plus plus, a's value will become 6. Now what about here? A is equal to a minus 1. Both are equivalent to a is equal to a minus 1. So a is equal to 5 minus 1. Then a is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. That is, decrease by 1 and store it in the same variable. Increase by 1 and store it in the same variable. Now we are going to learn about prefix and postfix increment or decrement operator. Prefix or postfix. First we will see prefix increment or decrement. Prefix increment or decrement. That is, prefix means the symbol will come in front of the variable, that is plus plus a or minus minus a. This is known as prefix. So what will be postfix? Postfix increment or decrement means a plus plus or a minus minus. Postfix decrement, postfix increment, prefix increment, prefix decrement. Now we'll see what is this prefix. Prefix means either plus plus a, or prefix increment means plus plus a, prefix decrement means minus minus a. Its working is change then use. It is change and then use. When in expression plus plus a comes, it is means that it will change the value and then use it. It will change the value and in use it. In an expression, if plus plus a comes means, or minus minus a comes means, change the value and use. I will show you the working. Suppose if you have an example, k is equal to k into plus plus a. Suppose k is equal to k into plus plus a. You have a's value is equal to 5, k's value is equal to 2. You have a's value is equal to 5, k's 2. Here what it will do means, it will do this operation first. It will change the value. It will change the value and then use. So what happens means is equal to 2 star plus plus a's value is 5, and it will come like this. So it will change the value, that is equal to 2 into 6, and k's value will be 12. It has changed. Plus plus 5 a means a is equal to a plus 1. Plus plus a means a is equal to a plus 1. So 5 is equal to 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. 2 into 6, k's value will become 12. This is what I will show you on another example with the decrement. Suppose you have same k is equal to k star minus a. Suppose this is same value with the value 5 is k is equal to 5, k is equal to 2. Now see 2 star minus 5, that is 2 star 4, k is equal to 8. Decrement by 1, that is change the value and then use. Here also we have changed the value and then only we have calculated. Yes. So when symbol plus operator come in front of the plus or minus, when the operator come in front of the variable, its rule is change the value and then use. Be clear, it is very important topic. It will come for the whole term exams and in 10th also, board also. You can expect the differences or output questions. It will surely come. So plus a or minus a means if the operator come in front of the variable, its rule is change the variable and then use it. Here it is come in front, so I have changed the value of a into 6 and then only I have calculated. See, first it was 2 into plus 5. I have changed the value 5 into 6 and then only I have made calculation. Here also same, I have decremented the value into 4 and then only I have made the calculation. So its rule is change and then use. Now moving to postfix. Postfix, increment or decrement. So in postfix, increment or decrement, the operator comes after the variable. The operator comes after the variable. See, and its rule is when it come in expression, use than change. Its rule is when it comes to expression, use than change. Use than change. I will give you example and I will explain how it will work. Use than change means, suppose in an expression, be careful, in an expression it is use than change, and in an expression prefixes change than use, but when it comes alone, it will have the same property, that is a is equal to a plus 1. Use than change means, suppose same example we can take k star a plus plus. Same example, k is equal to 2, a is equal to 5. Now we'll see, here it is use than change. So first I am going to change is equal to k is to 2 star a plus plus, that is 5 plus 5 plus plus 5 plus plus. First it will use, so it will be used, that is k is equal to, you can get 10, and but then only it will change into 6. A's value will be changed after using. K's value is 10, not 12. You can see the difference here. It has first changed the value and then calculated, but here it will, here after that a is become 6, okay, and here it has used the value. A's value is 5, so it has used the value first and then only it is making changes in the value of a. It will not affect any k, it will not affect k, it will affect only a. Now we'll give another example, same example, k is equal to k star a minus minus. Same example is equal to 2 star 5 minus minus. Since it is postfix, it will use the variable and then only it will change. So it will give 10 and a's value is now become 4. A's value is 4 and k's value is 10 because it's used the value and then only it changed the value in an expression. Since it is using in with a single operand, it is known as, it is comes under unary operator. What is unary operator? The unary operators are operators that are having only one single operand. Here since there is only single operand, it is known as unary operators, and postfix has higher priority than the prefix. Postfix operators has higher priority than the prefix. Postfix increment or decrement operator has higher priority than the prefix operator. I will tell you some rules for the increment and decrement, then when to change, when to not to change. Rules: if it come alone, as like simply they have given int a is equal to 5 plus a or a plus plus. Simply it has given plus a or a plus plus. Both has the same meaning, that a is equal to a plus 1. Both has the same meaning. So same meaning. If it comes like this, plus a or a plus plus in an simply alone, then it is have the same meaning, a is equal to a plus 1. Now second one, if it comes inside system dot out dot println. If it comes inside system dot println, suppose it is plus a, system dot a plus plus, then this is change then use, this is use then change. That means you will get the output here as 6 and a's value then become 6. Here you will get the output 5 and later onwards your a's value will be changed into 6. Output will be, this is output, okay, output will be 5, but a's value later after giving output it will change to 6. After giving output it will change to 6, okay. Next, in expression. In expression means example, k is equal to k star a plus plus, k is equal to k star plus a. If it comes in expression like this, then it is use the variable's value and then only make changes. This is postfix. So use the values of variable and then only changes. Here change the value of variable and then use it because it is coming in front. Just make it clear that if operator comes in front of the variable, it is prefix. Its rule is change the value of a variable and then only use, because plus is coming in front. So first it will change and then use, whereas plus is coming after the variable here, so it is a postfix. Even if as it is coming after the variable, first it will take the variable and then only it will make changes. Here first it will make the changes and then only take the variable. Clear? So see the operator is coming after the variable, so it will use the value of variable and then change the value. Here it is coming in front, so it will change the value and then use. If it come in expression like this, okay. Now next point, loop. If it coming in loop, you will learn later. Both plus a or a plus plus has same meaning. If it comes in loop, both, that is a is equal to a plus 1. So if it come alone, that is plus a or a plus plus, or minus a or a minus a or minus, both has same meaning, that is a is equal to a plus 1 or a is equal to a minus 1, okay. Minus means it will goes like this, a minus 1. And if it comes like plus a or a plus plus, or suppose minus a or a minus, change then use then change. If it come in expression, it can also come a minus or minus a. Use then change then use. If it come in a loop, both are same meaning. Even if it is for minus a or a minus, both are same meaning, that is a is equal to a minus 1. I think it is clear with this. We'll solve an expression, then it will be clear for you. They have given x is equal to plus y plus 2y if y is equal to 6. X is equal to plus y plus 2y, y is equal to 6. We will solve this equation. We have x is plus y means plus 6 plus what happens means after this y's value become 7. After first thing y's value become 7, so it will come 7 plus 2 into 7. Don't write 2 into 6. It is wrong. You should write 2 into 7 because after this expressions y's value become 7. So when you write after that it becomes 7. So your value become 7 plus 2 into 7 14 is equal to 21. Clear? Next, I will give you another example. We can solve another example. X is equal to y plus 2y. If y is equal to 6, same value. What happens if y is equal to 6 with the same value? We'll solve it. As per this is a postfix. So use and change. So first we will have 6 only because it is not changing its value plus use and change means now we after this expression y's value becomes 7. So 2 into 7. So 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. Here only it will be use the variable and then only it will make changes, then y becomes 7 and so after this it becomes 7. Okay. Same for the decrement also. We'll do the decrement. X is equal to suppose we have 2y here plus minus y plus y. We'll see, we will solve this x. Okay, we'll give y is equal to 10. We'll solve the y is equal to 10. 2y in the sense 2 into 10 plus minus 10 means it is prefix, so it will change and use 9. So y's value become now 9. So plus y instead of 10 it is now 9. So plus y means plus 9. So it will have 20 plus 18 which is equal to 38. You got this? Because y it is changing into 9 means we have y is equal to y minus 1. So it will do 10 minus 1 and 9 will be stored in the y. That is why y is equal to 9. That is why y here it is using 9. I will give you another example. X is equal to same we will do y plus y minus plus 2y. Postfix. We'll see y is equal to 10. Same value. Y is equal to 10. So is equal to 10 plus y minus. It is a postfix. So first it will use the value. So its value is 10 and then only it will make changes. So it becomes 9. So now y's new value is 9. This has been erased. So here when it use for this, it will take 2 into 9. That is y's new value. So you will get 20 plus 18 which is equal to 38. Clear about, I hope it is clear about the execution. Same for decrement or increment. X is equal to y plus y plus 2y. Same, y is equal to 10. Here 10 plus, since it is a prefix, it will change the value into 11 and then only it uses. So 11 plus 2 into 11. So is equal to 2 into 11, 22. Here also 21 which is equal to 43. This is new value. This is erased. Okay. Same if you do with the postfix. X is equal to 2y plus y plus minus y, suppose minus y is equal to 10. See, 2y means y is equal to 10 you have. So 2y means 2 into 10 plus, since it is a postfix, it will use the value and then only make changes. So it will use 10 and it will change the value, it is into 11. It will change the value into 11. This is new y value. So it will not use 10, it will use y is equal to 11. So 10 minus y is 11. So 11, and you have 20 plus 10 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 90. I hope it is clear. Thank you.